Hello all, welcome to DJ's Vault. I am Dinesh. Today I am gonna review this SMK Attack helmet, fluorescent color helmet. So let's check this out. So you can see the attack name of the version over here and like a man riding his bike. This is a good design. I like this so much, and you can see the SMK logo over here. In terms of designing, they have done a great job in this helmet. They have given punchy colors for this helmet. So in terms of night ride, this color is a great advantage. So you can see the fluorescent color behind and up and in front also over this part, so it is a good thing. So price of this helmet is 4300. SMK has done a great job for rupees 4300. They have given the max to max features which they are able to give for rupees 4300. So you can see the air vents, top air vent, chin air vent and the back air vent. There are totally 3 air vents in this helmet. The top air vent, so when you swipe it up and down, so through this the air gets inside, and through this also the air gets inside. You can close it and open it whenever you want according to your facility. So through this back air vent the air comes outside. You have a great ventilation system in this helmet. You will not feel the uncomfortability in this helmet. This is a great thing. And you have a double visor in this helmet. One is the normal visor, the other one is the sun visor. You can see over here. So through this swipe thing you can swipe it and bring it up and down according to your needs. So the sun visor is a bit long, it covers up to your nose. That is a good advantage in this helmet. And this normal visor comes with fog visor. They have already given a pin lock defaultly in this helmet. There is no need of buying an extra fog visor for this. It defaultly comes with a fog visor in 4300 range. This is the greatest advantage in the helmet. If you go for MT and Axis, definitely you have to buy a fog visor separately and you have to fit it in the helmet. So SMK has given a great advantage in this helmet. So in this visor we have 4 steps to open it. According to your need you can keep it. The first step, second step, third and fourth. So it has totally 4 steps. The other thing over here is when you bring it down, after that you can lock the visor like this. You can see, can you hear the sound? So in this place, let me show it near to you. So this is the place where it gets locked. So when you lock it, it will not come out. So it is a good thing. And they have given a nose pad. They have printed their SMK logo in this. In terms of quality, it is good and nice. And you can fit the sunglasses over here in this place. You can see in this place. So in this place, if you have a sunglass or when you ride, you can fit the sunglasses over here and just you can close it. It will get a good fit of your sunglass. And this SMK logo, I like it so much. They have given a great punchy color for this design. In this place you can fit the Bluetooth device. If you want this, you can use it or keep it aside after fixing the Bluetooth device. So this is a great advantage which they have given. Let's see inside the helmet. We have given the chin pad. So the use of this is it will not allow the dust particles to come inside this helmet, and they have given normal strap to use it. So in terms of quality, the strap is good and you can use it according to your needs. And this is how it looks inside the helmet. they have given some reflectors inside the helmet, and they have also given a SMK clothing logo over here. And this mesh is totally removable, washable and refixable as it is. That is a good thing. And the other good thing which I liked in this helmet is the proper quality and a good beading which they have given. So when you see it, in terms of quality, the beading is very good and strong, so it matches the helmet and it looks like a design for this helmet, so it is good. The aerodynamics of this helmet is awesome, and we have an other disadvantage also for this helmet. So when you wear this helmet, there is a plastic slim part in this helmet, so I think you can right now I'll show it. So in this place, I'm not sure whether you will be able to see or not. So in this place right now where I have placed my finger, there is a plastic part. When you wear it, it pushes your ear upwards and makes you feel the pain. If it continuously pushes up, your ears will start paining a lot. So if in case you buy this helmet, please use helmet caps while you do long ride. City ride is fine, totally fine, but when you go for a long ride, definitely you should wear helmet cap for this helmet. So use helmet cap when you wear this for long rides. The overall points which I can give for this helmet is 4 out of 5. So yes, this is a good helmet. Thank you for watching. Click on subscribe, share and bell icon for more videos.